exercise number 4.1, many problems are given. He has given the questions like by comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. These questions are there, whether they are intersecting at one point, whether they are parallel or coincident. That is the question he is asking now. Solution, you see, very important here, nothing but very simple question. These two pair of linear equations are given. You write down, you compare this one with first one, A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. This is one linear equation in two variables. Second one is given, that's why A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. This equation is in this form, this equation is in this form. Simple. Okay. Now by comparing, you compare A1 value, you see here A1 is equal to 5, comma B1, here one confusion, one important point, here plus is there but here minus is there, so B1 value is minus 4 is equal to minus 4, here plus is there, here minus is there, with minus you should tell minus 4, that is very important, comma C1 is equal to plus no problem 8, right over. Coming to here, A2 value, see here, A2 is equal to 7, B2 is equal to, you see here, 6, y is compared here, x is compared here, so B2 is equal to 6, here plus, here minus, so C2 is equal to minus 9, this is very good. Now what you find? Now ratios you find, A1 by A2 you find is equal to A1 how much 5 by means 5, A2 7, stop. Next you go for B1 by B2, B1 minus 4 by B2 6, cancellation 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now see these two answers, they are different. If they are different, stop there only. Therefore you write down A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore this pair of linear equations are intersecting at one point. Therefore they are intersecting at one point. That is the solution. Simple. I give the formula for it. Second one like that only. It is in the form of what? A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Now by comparison, A1 is equal to 9, B1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to 12. Now A2 is equal to 18, B2 is equal to 6, C2 is equal to 24. Now ratios you find, A1 by A2 is equal to A1 9 by 1, A2 18, 9 1s are 9 2s are is equal to 1 by 2. Now go for B1 by B2, B1 by B2 is equal to B1 3 by B2 6, 3 1s are 3 2s are is equal to 1 by 2. Now they are, how they are, you see, same. Go for third ratio. If they are not same, stop there only. Now go for C1 by C2, C1 12 by C2 24, 12 1s are 12 2s are is equal to 1 by 2. Now see three answers. Therefore A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. All three ratios are same. If all are same, therefore they are what? Coincident lines. These two lines are coincident. They are coincident lines. How many solutions? Infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. Here intersecting at one point. One solution. One solution. This is C bit here. Again same here. Comparing this one with A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. This with A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. By comparison, A1 is equal to how much? A1 is equal to 6, comma B1 is equal to here plus, here minus. So minus 3, very important. Comma C1 is equal to 10 plus only here. Now if I come here, A2 value is 2, A2 is equal to 2. B2, now this is very important. B2 is equal to, you see, y is compared, y. Beside this here coefficient is what here? 1. With which symbol? Minus 1. Very important. Here only many students will do mistakes here. So here plus is here, but here minus. We should write minus compulsory. Here y is compared. You will think that y's are nothing is there. No. Y means 1 y is there. So minus 1. Next is C2. C2 is equal to 9. All values you got. Now what ratios we should find now? Now first one A1 by A2. Don't get any confusion also. A, B, C. That much only. Sir, A1 by B1, C1, got that type of confusion will get. Nothing. A, B, C. This is equal to A1 6 by A2 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are is equal to 3 by 1 means 3. Next is B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is equal to B1 minus 3 by B2 minus 1. Minus cancel. 3 by 1 means 3. Next is they are same. Go for third value. C1 by C2 is equal to C1 10 by C2 9. Further simplification? No. Now you compare these three values. These two are same. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. B1 by B2. But these two answers are same. But this answer is not same with this one. Is not equal to, these two answers are not equal to C1 by C. Means this is the condition given for parallel lines. Means therefore they are parallel. Means these two lines are parallel lines. Means what? Parallel lines means they are having any solution? No solution. No solution if the lines are not having the solution. Inconsistent pair of linear equations. He is asking only simple how they are. Means they are parallel. That much only, but extra I am giving. Parallel means no solution. No solution means that type of lines are known as what? Inconsistent pair of linear equations.